Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to import large database. First of all, I am going to show you large database. This is my one dump and I am going to show you size of this dump 2 GB and phpMyAdmin by default. Let's create one database reader and see in import maximum 128 MB allow here through this UI. You cannot import large database than this specified size. If your database is more than 120 MB, you need to either change this limit into this configuration of your Wamp server, and you can also import through the terminal. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to import this large database through the terminal. It's very simple and only one command need to fire for that. So let's see. No table found in this database. So let's open terminal and navigate to MySQL where I installed. So cd wamp cd bin cd MySQL, then let's print ls. So still we need to go inside and then we need to go inside the bin and let's confirm mysql.exe should be there, and yes, see here mysql.exe is there. Now let's clear terminal and I am going to fire one command MySQL, then u means username, so need to specify username. My phpAdmin username is root, so I specified root here. Then we need to specify -p. -p means password of phpMyAdmin. I keep space and empty because I don't have password in my phpAdmin. Then need to specify name of the database which was I created recently. So name was reader, and then less than sign and need to specify full path of the dump database which we have in computer. So I am going to specify full path that dump on desktop. So I am going to specify desktop full path here with the .sql. So c colon users / desktop reader .sql and let's fire. It's again ask for enter password because I specified empty. So again I keep empty and pass enter and it started. Let's go to the C6 tables generated and imported successfully and process is ongoing. See, now it's 10 table. Total 50 table is there in this database. So process still in progress in MySQL. In terminal it's not showing any progress, but we need to keep refresh this phpMyAdmin and we can see the progress. It's now 31. It's 50 and let's open terminal and see process is done. So you can easily import large database into the phpMyAdmin easily through that command. So thank you for watching video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.